The single leg downward dog to opposite elbow is a dynamic, core-engaging movement that challenges balance, flexibility, and strength. Here's a breakdown of the primary and secondary muscles involved. Movement description. From a downward dog position. 1. Raise one leg, single leg down dog. 2. Shift forward into a plank while bringing the raised knee across your body toward the opposite. Elbow, knee to opposite elbow. Muscles worked. Primary muscles. 1. Core, especially obliques. Internal and external obliques. Stabilize and rotate your torso as you bring the knee across. Rectus abdominis helps flex the spine and control the knee drive. Transverse abdominis, deep core support to stabilize spine and pelvis. 2. Shoulders, deltoids, anterior and medial, stabilize and support body weight. Rotator cuff muscles, maintain shoulder joint stability. 3. Chest and arms, pectoralis major or minor, support pushing motion as you shift forward. Triceps, maintain elbow extension during the hold. 4. Hip flexors, iliopsoas, lift the knee toward the elbow. Secondary muscles. 1. Glutes, gluteus maximus medius, engage during the leg lift in the down dog phase. Assist in hip stabilization. 2. Hamstrings and calves, on the supporting leg, support balance and maintain tension in down dog. 3. Quadriceps, help with knee extension and support during transitions. Or back, erector spinae lats, stabilize the spine during movement and hold position. Please check my next video.